We adopt the stage gate process for the development of new products. The stage gate process is a systematic process for development of new products. So the process has about 7 steps. At each stage, a committee would review and give us a go or a no-go situation. The first stage is called the idea stage, wherein we generate ideas for developing a new product. So the ideas can come from sales, marketing, R&D, etc. So once the idea is found to be exciting, then it moves to what is called the concept stage, where we create a business case for the idea and clarify the clear customer value proposition for the idea. So once the idea is qualified in the concept stage, it would move to the feasibility stage. In the feasibility stage, we examine whether this particular idea for a new product development is feasible. This we do by screening the plants that can address that issue. So for this, we screen medicinal plants where we take leads from the traditional medicine as well as modern literature, and we screen them on certain bioassays, which could be in vitro or in vivo assays. Through this process, we may end up with certain leads which can ultimately help us to develop a new product. So this helps us to move to the next stage called as the development phase. The leads that are generated in the feasibility stage are examined and they are combined to form formulation prototypes. The formulation prototypes are done based on mathematical models like orthogonal arrays, which help us to look for interactions between the different components of the formulation, which can give rise to 3 possible situations: additivity, synergy, or antagonism. Additivity means the activity of the ingredients are just adding up. Synergy means activity of the ingredients when combined is enhanced, and antagonism would mean the ingredients antagonize the effects of each other. So we look for those prototypes which are synergistic, that is, their activity is enhanced when they are together. So the formulations, the prototype formulation which is synergistic is taken for the target species trials in a very controlled situation, and if these studies are promising, then we take it to the scale-up stage. At the scale-up stage, we scale the product from maybe kilogram level to ton level. In the manufacturing facility, we look for the manufacturing challenges and we scale up the production. We also do the beta testing, that is, we test the product in a larger area of target species, that is, we do farm trials in the actual conditions, that is, we do trials in the field, you may say. Once the results are encouraging at the scale-up stage, we then go to the launch phase, where we do the product launch. Once again, here we do the test marketing. We do not launch the product in the full-scale market. We take a segment of the market and launch the product. And if the product is found to be safe and effective and meets all the end attributes that we desire, then we take it to the full-scale marketing. Even after the product is launched, we also do the post-marketing surveillance, where we examine as to how the product is doing, any issues that are confronting, how happy are the customers with the products, things like that. So this is in brief the stage gate process.